So hello everyone, good evening. This is our project at Upper Ravet, and you can see this is a 3 BHK actual apartment of 859 square feet carpet area, and you can see this is the living cum dining area, and with this living cum dining area you will be having a attached balcony space over here. The size of the balcony is approximately 12 feet by 5 feet, and this is the grand living cum dining hall, and just beside that this is the entry lobby, and this side will be the first bedroom, and the bedroom size is approximately 12.5 by 11 feet, and with a beautiful window that side. And this is the attached toilet with this bedroom. The sanitary fittings will be given very soon. And the specific part of this bedroom is that this window is extended by 1 feet. And come again to the hall. So this is the kitchen space, L pattern kitchen space. You can have a door over here, and you can partition this kitchen from the dining as per your choice. The customization option is available, and this side will be having a dry balcony space attached with this kitchen space. You can also have sliding over here. You can place your refrigerator over here. You can have your other units like water purifier, everything. 2 feet height tiles will be given. And just on my right hand side, this is the second bedroom. This is a standard size second bedroom with having a size of 10.5 by 10 feet, again with a big window on this side, and again an extended platform of 1 feet having British architecture. And this project is having total G+27 towers, which will come this side on this land. The total land parcel is 7 acres. So now come outside. So now we are having the washroom space. This is the common washroom space. All Jacquard fittings will be given. Right now it's getting ready. Now we are entering towards the master bedroom. So this is the master bedroom with having a size of again 12.5 feet by 10.5. And with this master bedroom we will be having another attached toilet space. Again all Jacquard fittings will be given. The size of this toilet is approximately 8 feet by 5 feet. And again see the bedroom space. It's a beautiful bedroom space. And you can see this is the Upper Ravet Road just beside this project. And this is the land parcel. So if you have any queries about this project, then please feel free to ask. Our official number have been given below this video. So this 3 BHK will be coming with an approximate budget range of around 60 lakhs to 62 lakhs. So in this range you will be having a high-rise complex with every facilities and amenities. So for more details please contact us. We are offering some great discounts for few limited options. So we are having a discount of up to 2.5 lakh rupees. So if you book early, and price will be going up very soon. So thanks a lot for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel for further updates. So stay tuned. Thanks a lot.